So today we are going to be decorating and cozying up the house for fall. I already have some things done that I started, and Jack did a little decorating. He got into my fuzzy spiders. I have a whole bunch of them I need to get out. Hopefully it'll only take a few hours and we'll get the house all cozy for fall.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. This is what will be eventually our studio, but we keep a lot of seasonal decor in here. I came up here just for these gourds, but it is a reminder to me that I definitely need to stick this on my list of things to tackle.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Zeb had to come because I needed some way up high. I need those two.
I think you could reach it with the ladder.
This ladder was in the barn, right?
Yeah, and it was locked.
We lose track of time at a path we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go.
So my phone died. I wanted to do a very aesthetic shot of these flowers, but all these flowers and greenery came out of the garden.
I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy.
So I haven't decided where I'm going to put these. They might just live right there for a little bit. We'll see. I'm thinking about putting them here. All I need to do up here is just add a garland from the shop. And I'm contemplating, this door is going to go to the cottage that we're turning into an Airbnb. So I'm contemplating having Zeb put these two windows up on the wall. We'll see. I might just leave it the way it is. Definitely the couch needs spruced up a little bit. I think that this, with all the pumpkins, is gonna go on the dining table, and then I'm gonna put the pears on the island. This is gonna be a really big display. Ignore my Dr. Pepper can. This is gonna be a really big display, and we use this so much, especially during harvest season, that I can't have that much taken up, and it's heavy. So I can put it on the dining table, and then we can just eat around it. Here's my collection of items from the shop. I'm gonna grab one of my garlands. These are really pretty. I like the colors. Sometimes I cut them in half, we'll see. I'm still working on a few different areas. I pulled out a lot of the spring, and then I just set up this little vignette. I've decided the sunflowers can live over here. I feel like if I put them over there, it's just too much competition, but over here they can really shine. I've got some vintage bottles, this cute rusty house. We actually carry this on the website, one of our chunky beeswax candles, and just some old books and salvage. And I think that looks very fall. So while I'm redecorating, I just want to show you why nothing can be too perfect in here. Cody thinks that that's where he belongs. He's probably actually irritated that I put magazines there. And Rex thinks that's his spot, huh, Rex? Huh, Rex? Are you the reason that my couch has little wrinkles and scratchy holes in it? Is it you or is it you? Who is it? Who's been scratching my couch? Oh, Rex is guilty. Rex, is it you? Is it you, Rex? No, it must be Cody. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is adding pinto beans to the bottom of my zinc trough. We do carry these on the website. We have a couple in the shop. If you put pinto beans down at the bottom, then all of your things sit on top and you can kind of arrange your branches how you want. I can't remember who taught me this, but you can do the same thing with dough bowls as well. Also, don't worry, these will not go to waste. When I'm all done with the season, I will rinse them and we'll can them. So if you remember last week's hutch, still haven't decided what I'm going to do with it. I'm not doing a whole lot by way of design. We're just gonna do a swag, like the greenery swag, I don't know what it's called, the cinnamon and burgundy fall leaves. And I brought out my grandma's teacups, and then the dishes, they're just really already very fall. I worked a little bit off camera over here. I just organized my books. I added my Stylish French Girlfriends book from the shop and 3 of our chenille pumpkins. I've got my cute little magazine stack here. I pulled this out of my stash downstairs. This is just a JRV stencil on an IKEA pillowcase. And then on this side, I'm gonna switch out my spring blanket for this navy kind of cornflower blue throw. We carry those. I think these are like $20. Yeah, $19.95 for this cotton throw. And then I've got to take the tags off them. Here's a really cute pumpkin pillow. This one I love because it's got an insert. It's kind of like grain sack stripe. Dog toy. Anyways, I'm gonna get this couch done and then we will move into the kitchen. I want to rearrange that. And I did add this cool wreath. These wreaths are kind of spendy. They are made with corn husks and wheat. And I really like it.
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus. You're by yourself, I'm by myself. Wish I could talk.
All right, so far I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this look over here. This really wasn't a ton of work, but I got it done. That was already done when we got started, and then that little decor over there. So what's left is the island. I'm gonna clean up that whole area over there and dust it. It probably won't look a whole lot different. And then we'll get the kitchen area cleaned up. I might add, well, also towels. Towels are coming. I thought I'd do this like very aesthetic video and it'd be all soothing, but we'll see how it comes together.
mysterious hand pass.
Seb is helping with this video. No, he's doing taxes. Are you having fun doing taxes, Seb?
Yeah, we're through February.
It's all right. The good news is,
But I got a lot of other stuff chased down, and I just have to put numbers in the spreadsheet. It's like half hour per month, so we'll be all right.
take the price tag off of it. The good news is I'm going to be done with my video, so I can help you tonight. Look how cute this is.
That is cute.
It's a sheet mold, but it's just for decor. Does that look good?
Yep.
I felt like there needed to be something extra up here. And
This whole range hood vent situation was a labor of love. It was quite a bit to get that up there and figure out how to do it.
hopefully you guys can see all the dust I didn't get to. I'll get to that later. In our very aesthetic video, Zeb's gonna light this candle.
You know what? I never lose this lighter.
Not recommended at home. Is it even lighting?
It's like too much juice.
Do you need to like light something else?
There
Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go.
It was like blowing it out.
Perfect.
It's blowing
Pumpkin
it out.
spice. Now it's gonna smell the way that it looks. Do you like smell it?
It does smell amazing.
Does it
I
smell?
love the way
Did you smell it when you were flaming it?
Yeah, it was like blowing it back in my face with the heat.
Thanks for joining us. This actually took way longer than I thought it would.
I worked so hard on this room. It's looking so good.
I'm used to having a helper, and you know what? Even surprisingly small home decor projects take a lot longer when you have to move your own camera. I will take slow-mo video of all of our vignettes. Hopefully it gets you in the mood for fall.
I'm in the mood for fall now because, you know, we got all this orange. I'm ready for candy corns, even though I shouldn't eat them. All the pies, I'm not gonna eat those either.
Fall is Zeb's favorite season. I love to decorate for it, but I don't love that cold weather's coming. Comment below. Are you team fall or are you team sad that summer's over? If you need any of the products or decor that we used today, I'll drop the link to all the fall items in our shop. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to January Vintage for more.
DIY.
To get the products we used here today to decorate, visit januaryvintage.com.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.